Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your YouTube account with your Impact account. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your YouTube account so that when you apply for brand partnerships, these brands will be able to see your YouTube account. How do you actually connect both of them together? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Impact. Then on the bottom left-hand corner, you want to click on these three dots. Then you want to click on Settings. So once you click on Settings, you're going to appear on this page here. You want to click on Media Properties next, which is located underneath Profile. And then on the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on Create Media Property, click on Social, and then click on YouTube. So there you have it, guys. Once you click on YouTube, it is going to prompt you to log into your Gmail account so that you can connect your YouTube account to Impact. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your YouTube account with Impact. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.